In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a grass like power seeder. Check this thing out. This is a 7.2 volt power spreader that spreads like grass seed. You know, I have the Pennington grass seed. This is one of my favorite grass seed, the One Step Complete. I just got done mowing out here, so I'm going to go ahead and spread some seeds and just try to like get a little more grass going. But one of the things is with this thing, it's also good for spreading. If you live in an area where you get a lot of salt, you can spread the rock salt and de-icer around, and you can spread like fertilizer on a garden, so it works for that too. So it's one of these things that has many uses. So you can see right here, it's a lithium ion. It's 7.2 volts, 14.4 watts. It's a capacity is 3.3 liters. The motor is 900 to 2200, 6-speed control. So it has a control dial on the side, and you can kind of look over it here. It comes in this bag right here. And then down in the bottom is a little set of instructions, and just kind of like looking over the instructions kind of gives you a breakdown of what everything does on it. Input volt. You need a USB-C to charge it, and I did have a USB-C, and I went ahead and charged it, so we won't need that. And just this is how it came, just like this right here. And it is a cool looking, look at that color. I like that color. And then also you get a pretty long USB-C cable down in there. So put all that back. Just kind of like going over this for y'all. You got your actual like volume right here if you need to turn your volume on and off. And then over here you got, so you can go 1 through 6 on your like speed right there. And then your opening, you see how it goes down in there. And then down in there is the opening, and to open it up wider, check it out. You turn this dial, and all you do is pull the trigger like that, and that's how it works. So let me go ahead and cut this seed open and then dump it in there, and let's go from there. All right, everybody, let me go ahead and put the this is for the tall fescue, and I have a big patch right here where the grass have died. So what I've been doing is grass seeding this a lot, and what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to open it up and then dump it down inside of here like this. You can see how this is. Fill it up, shake it right there, and I really want to open this thing up. So let's go ahead and see how this thing works. So I'm all the way there. Let's start on 1. Check it out. Check out how that thing's going. That's working pretty good, and we're on 8 there. Let's go down to 1. Wow, if you're just on 1 and 1, that thing ain't putting out much at all. So I'm going to go wide open. Open that all the way. Turn that on all the way. Look at that. That thing was really working. What I like about this, I don't have to turn that dial. This thing is awesome. Of course, I got a dog that just loves to bark at me when I'm doing this. You see how it's spreading? It's spreading really good. This is so much better than sitting there using the little hand crank dial. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of the grass seed in here. So this one 5-pound bag gave me 2. I could probably do a whole football field with this in a matter of a few minutes. That's how dang good this thing works. So yeah, that's it, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this out. That's all I got today on the Enhulk grass spreader, fertilizer spreader, de-icer spreader. See you guys in the next video. Woo!